What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be sharing what I think to be the top 3 accessories for your Apple AirTag. Let's get started. The first accessory I want to talk about is this film protector right here. So if I bring it up close, you'll see there's a little bit of separation between the film and the actual AirTag. And then if we go in the back right here, it's a little bit more noticeable. As you can see, there's like a bit of a separation between the film and the actual plastic of the AirTag. So that is the first accessory that I got. It's really a protective accessory that protects it because it really does get dirty and scuffed up really quickly. So the first thing I did as soon as I took it off from the Apple plastic is put on this little film protector for the front and the back. The second thing I got is this silicone keychain for the AirTag, and it's very easy to use. Just simply put it right in there like this, and there you go, and that's it. So this is really cool, and it's really nice to put across any of your keychains. And while it is silicone, it's still very protective of the AirTag. It's not going anywhere. One thing I do want to add about this silicone keychain is the fact that the keyring is very thick. So if you have, keys that have a very small hole, this is not gonna work with it. This is really thick, and it's kind of annoying to put on when it's like around a tight keyhole. So keep that in mind. The final accessory I want to talk about is this wallet card holder for the Apple AirTag. Now this is very straightforward for those of you who are worried about losing your wallets. What this does is that it acts as a key. So it's a bit of a thick piece of plastic, and it has an insert for your AirTag from the back. And you just put it in, push it in until you hear that snap, that click in. And once you do, you can just take your wallet, and this is the wallet before I put it in. And then now I'm gonna put it in and show you the difference. So this is the wallet after. So it does make your wallet a little bit thicker, but at least you know that you are safe in case it gets lost or stolen. So these were my top 3 favorite accessories that I purchased for my own AirTag. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Take care.